Good morning, guys. It's Brent here. I'm on my way to the shop. I'm gonna do my 5-speed swap today. I got everything. I do believe I got the clutch, pressure plate, flywheel. I just went and got the flywheel bolts. I bought the hardware kit off the internet. So I mean, I do think I have pretty much everything to go ahead and do this swap. I'm gonna take the pedal and the master off of the LS car for now, and I'm gonna order another one because I have to have this, because as you've seen, I got the job at UPS, so I got me a good job now, but I have to drive an hour every day to go to work. And this, I mean, if you hear it right now, the transmission's not going into overdrive. It's just screaming. I'm running 50 miles an hour and it's just screaming. So we got to get that swapped, get that done, and yeah, we're gonna see. I'm gonna bring you guys along. I brought my little camera so I can do a little time-lapse footage for you. I almost brought the GoPro and just so I wear a headband and show you everything, but it's probably still pretty dark in the garage, well, at the shop, so I didn't worry about that. But guys, just stick around, hang out with us. I'm gonna bring you along all the way today. It's Saturday, so I mean, shouldn't be a whole lot of customers in and out. So we should be able to just bring you along all day. You can just come along, hang out, and we'll chat it up, show you what I'm doing. I'll show you how to do this 5-speed swap on a 240. I'm sure it's been covered a lot of times, but I haven't covered it yet, and I've done it a lot of times. So I'll see you guys in just a little bit. Okay guys, it's loud in here, but all right, so we drained the foot. Got the bolts, out drive shaft. Now we're dropping this. You can see it up in there. Gotta drop that. Then the drive shaft's gonna come out. And that is step one, get the drive shaft out of my way and get the foot out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back with you. Okay guys, so we got the drive shaft out. We got the transmission mount out. We got all the bottom bolts out. So now we literally just gotta get up in there. We gotta get the top bolts from about the starter. We gotta get these up there by the exhaust. I don't think you can see them, but they're up there. But yeah, that's where we're at now. I'm gonna keep on going. I'm gonna start the time-lapse camera and we'll go from there.
Kouki beat.
All right, here's what we got there. See it out of there. So now I gotta go take the shifter plate out of the floor. Take that out, and then we can get this started putting this thing back together. Stick around, I'm getting it. All right, guys. So I got the transmission in with the help of these guys. Drive shaft's in, carrier bearings all tightened down, bell housing bolts are all in. Now I'm just working on some wiring on that and finishing it up with that, and yeah, it's coming along. It's just taking a long time, so we'll get it. Stay around, stay tuned, and I'll turn on some more time lapse and get some more footage of what's going on. But yeah, we're getting it. Stick around. Well guys, I made it home. It is manual now. Nothing's put together. I gotta go dig some other stuff out of the car tomorrow and shit like that, but it's midnight. I just got it together. It was a pain in the neck. Nothing wanted to work like it was supposed to. Nothing went the way it's supposed to. Traditional working on your 240. But I did get it done. Drove it home. Speed sensor's reading double for some reason, so I gotta figure that out. But yeah, got it all done. So far anyway. I mean, I gotta put shit back together and a bunch of little stuff like that, but for the most part it's done. We'll go with that. But yeah guys, thanks for coming along today. It was a long day. Sorry I didn't record as much as I wanted to. I started to, but then it just got crazy. It just wouldn't stop. Nothing would work the way it's supposed to. I mean, I gotta go get in the shower. I'm dirty as dirty gets. And hopefully I didn't get my interior too dirty. I even took my boots off. I mean, look. Took my boots off because I didn't want to get my floors all nasty. But I did do it and no check engine lights, so that's pretty awesome. Happy about that. Hopefully my alarm still works. I've been working on it, making sure that worked. But yeah guys, you have a good night. I'm gonna go in here and take me a shower, and I'll talk to you in a little bit, or this might be the end. I don't know yet. We'll see. Later.